Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you how to open a Monzo account in UK. Let's get started. First, go to the App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android. Search for Monzo Bank and tap Download or Install. Once installed, open the app. Once you're in the app, click I'm new to Monzo. Enter your email address and Monzo will send you a confirmation email to open it and tap the link inside to continue. Search on United Kingdom and click confirm. They will ask you some questions and you just need to upload ID, passport, or driver's license. They will ask you which account you would like to open, just like personal, joint account, for kids, and business account. Once you choose one, click Next. Input your full legal name and your birth date. After that, click Next. Then they will ask you to put your postcode. After that, click Next. This will complete the process of opening your Monzo account. And that's how you open Monzo bank account in UK. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.